俺はルフィ、海賊王になる男だ。
Take my dinero, take my dinero, she take my dinero.
Ohio gozaimasu Grand Line Review. This is top 5 mythical devil fruit and their owners. Number 1. Tori no Mi. The Tori no Mi is a mythical Zoan type devil fruit which bestows the power to transform into a phoenix and phoenix hybrid at will. It was eaten by Marco, the first division captain of Whitebeard pirates. This devil fruit has very unique powers. It grants the user the power to transform into large phoenix shrouded in blue flames, as well as a human phoenix hybrid at will. More significantly, the user can create their blue flames of resurrection and flames of regeneration, while these blue flames neither burn nor spread as normal flames do and are not hot at all. Time for a fun fact. Marco the Phoenix have a bounty of 1,374,000,000 berries, and he birthday on 5th of October. Number 2. Hito no Mi. The Hito no Mi model Daibutsu is a mythical Zoan type devil fruit that allows its user to transform into a Daibutsu, which basically means a giant gold Buddha at will. It was eaten by Sengoku, the former fleet admiral of the Marines. The Hito no Mi has very unique powers. The main strength of this devil fruit is that it can allow its user to transform into a giant living gold Buddha, going on extreme boost in strength. To match the increased size, and his entire body takes on a solid gold hue in addition to a full and hybrid transformation that are available to all Zoan type devil fruit users. He can use his palm thrust for powerful shockwaves. Number 3. Ino no Mi Kyuubi no Kitsune. The Ino no Mi model Kyuubi no Kitsune is a mythical Zoan type devil fruit that allows the user to transform into nine-tailed fox. It was eaten by Katharina Devon. The main strength of this fruit is that it transforms the user into a mythical kitsune, a complete nine-tailed fox. As such, they give all the abilities themselves as anyone they like, allowing them to impersonate them. The clothing of the target person can also be imitated during the transformation. The Ibu no Mi devil fruit has no weaknesses aside from the standard devil fruit weaknesses. Devon was seen using this ability to briefly impersonate the deceased Absalom and trick his comrade Gekomoria. A trivia: the nine-tailed fox Kyuubi no Kitsune is a mythical spirit fox in Chinese, Indian, Japanese and Korean cultures. One origin of the word kitsune is from a tail of fox transforming into a woman every night. A fun fact about Katharina Devon: she has a bounty of 330 million berries. Number 4. Hebi no Mi. Hebi no Mi Yamato no Orochi is a mythical Zoan type devil fruit that allows the user to transform into a hybrid and full version of Yamato no Orochi, an 8-headed snake or dragon in Japanese mythology. It was eaten by Kurozumini Orochi. The power of Hebi no Mi is this fruit grants the user 8 separate heads, each one with an extremely long neck, each one capable of speech on their own. As a Zoan, the user receives a boost of their physical abilities, though Orochi was never seen using his enhanced physical capabilities in battle, and the fruit has no known weakness aside from the standard devil fruit weakness. Number 5. Uo no Mi. The Uo no Mi model's Kiru mythical Zoan type devil fruit allows the user to transform into a hybrid and full version of an azure dragon at will. It was eaten by none other than Kaido. This devil fruit enables the user to turn into a giant serpentine, blue-scaled dragon, specifically a type of earthen dragon called azure dragon, and into a human dragon hybrid. Apart from scales, acquired dragon features include horns, a second pair of Kaido's scales, sharp fangs and limbs with clawed hands and feet. In his full beast form, Kaido grows to rival a small town in size, making this the largest yet seen Zoan transformation. And that's all Grand Line Review. Hope you like this video. Thank you.